Choose your fighter.
Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I achieved these brows step by step, so stay tuned. This is my Kiss Lash Adhesive Glue. I'm just going to take some of that and apply it to my actual eyebrow hairs. And I'm going to wait and let it get a little tacky, then use the spoolie and brush my eyebrow hairs in one direction. Now, they do have something called eyebrow gel. I just don't have any, so this is a decent substitution in my opinion. My brow hairs are now laid to my liking. So this is my double-sided brow tool. It has a spoolie and the brow shaping side. And this is my brow pomade from Maybelline Eye Studio. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. I usually start underneath my brow and I just follow my natural eyebrow pattern. And then I fill in the ends and then you will see me move towards the top. Now honestly, you can shape your eyebrow to whatever desired shape you want, whether you want it more curved, more arched, more anything. I definitely do my brows different most of the time, depending on the look that I'm trying to go for. This is a generic brow pencil from the beauty supply store, and I use this in the front of my eyebrow so that it's not so dark and to create that perfect ombre look. Here I'm using the same pencil. It's double-sided and has a spoolie, and I'm just fanning it out, brushing upwards and in the shape of my brow so that it's not so dark. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps I did for the first brow for the second brow here.
You win. Fight.
Now I am just doing a little bit more fanning out and extra fanning so that I can make the brow look as natural as possible. Also, you want to do this before you start to clean it up with concealer, because it will alter the color of the concealer surrounding your eyebrow. This is some concealer on my hand. I have it there for easy access, and this is the concealer brush I will be using. It's more on the flat side, and the more concealer on your brush, the neater your strokes will be. So as you can see, I started underneath the same brow that I originally constructed first. And once I'm done shaping it how I want it and taking away whatever brow pomade I do not want there, I will drag it down like I'm doing here to create that evenness and spread the concealer. Now I'm going to move on to the top of that same brow, and I'm going to achieve my desired shape while dragging it upwards to spread that excess concealer and create a solid base. And over here, I'm going to repeat the process, and to make sure that they are on the same level, I usually just connect it with a small line in the middle as you saw, and then I go ahead and I clean that up. And once again, you see me dragging it down as I'm going to create that even base underneath with the concealer. Now we're going to move on to the top of this brow, and same as the bottom, I am going to eventually connect the middle right there to make sure that they are on the same level and hold the same thickness, if that makes sense. And I'm going to drag that up and outwards to even out that excess concealer surrounding my brow. Here I'm gonna take out the excess in the middle, which there was none really, so it wasn't too hard for me to do that. And I'm gonna just create a little slope for both, almost like creating a V for the entrance of my nose structure. So I'm going to get the spoolie again. Here you can see it on my double-sided brow pencil. And I'm going to go upwards and outwards towards the middle to achieve that ombre brow style that I really like. And voila! We have natural brows.